Hilary. Hilary. Very happy to see me. So long time before him. How are you? 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 How are you, dog? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? This dog is so happy. One of my best friends when I come home. My honest friend. Just one friend who cannot disappoint. Genuinely happy. Hiya, Baba. Hilary, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you, Hilary? Hilary, come, play, finish. Play and finish the story now. This dog is ever happy, and if I don't comfort it, it will not relax. It's so happy. One genuine friend of the family. Just been away for a while. So my friend have missed me. If I don't hold it like this, it will definitely feel sad. So this is the left side of my dog. Friend of mine, Hilary. Hilary has a long history with me. I was able to name it Hilary. And why did I name it Hilary? For those who understand, Hilary was born during the first time when President Trump was competing for election. And when he was competing for election, this dog was born. There were 3 of them. Hilary, there were 2 males, and there were 1 male and 2 females. Fortunately, 1 female died and the other male died. But during that time, I was able to name this one Hilary, in the name of Hillary Clinton. The male was named Trump, unfortunately died, and the other female was named Chelsea, the daughter of Clinton. I don't know why I liked the American politics that time, but that's when I was able to name this dog of mine that time. This dog has a very long history that I was able to fascinate this dog, but all of a sudden it developed some complications and it almost died. The 2 died, but Hilary survived. During the Hilary survival moment, I remember I was able to buy milk from a neighbor because it was in Nairobi, and the neighbor gave me milk, and I could feed Hilary milk with glucose. At some point, Hilary was so weak. I saw it was in so much pain. And when it was in so much pain, imagine I was so sad about the pain this dog undergoes, until one time, sadly, I felt we need to assist it to rest, because it was so painful, it was so weak. I could give it milk, and when I give it milk, the milk simply come out from the mouth. But I never gave up. I could boil water, put it on a jerrycan, a container, and make it sleep. I could wake at the middle of the night and just feed this young dog when it was very sick. And I felt so sad when it was sick. And I believe that attachment, when I took care of this dog, when it was extremely needy, that's why this dog today loves me. Whenever I come home, this dog literally feel happy. Like you can see now, it is now closing the eyes. It's now close the eyes, comfortable. You see it has some tears. So when it has tears, it means it has some warm the body. That simply means I need to check it. I need to give it a dewormer because it has some eyes. But whenever I'm around this dog, it feels relaxed. Like you now, it is sleepy. From happiness to sleep. Because I'm talking to it, I'm giving you the story of this dog. And this is one pet of mine that I almost killed. So during the time when I used to warm it, I could give it that warmth, it suffered. And then all of a sudden one morning, it woke up and start staggering, walking around. And that was the joyous moment of my time. I continued giving it milk. And ladies and gentlemen, the first presidency of President Trump, which was 4 years, came the second presidency of the next president, that was the second president after Trump. That was another 4 years. And now there's another 2 years of President Trump. So this dog is literally, if you look at it, it is literally 10 years old. As we speak right now, it has no teeth. It is very old. The teeth have gone out. Does not have teeth anymore. Does not eat hard foods. Does not eat bones. But still look very healthy, very strong. And it is one genuine friend of mine. It is a friend that has been loved by my children. It has been loved by my family. And it has never disappointed. Whenever I am home, it knows when I am going to be around home or when I am going to move and be away for long. And when it knows that I'm not going to be away, it goes with me. By the moment I will be going, now it is relaxed. It has heard from me, it has met me, and it will not leave my house today. It will not leave my house today. It will stay with me. I will feed it. Yeah, when I am away, this is the motorbike. It is now parked here because of security. When I am at home, this is my home. Nobody's around. Their wife is away from home. So this place is now, when I come here, it is me and my other part of the family. So this dog remained a friend of mine. Very unique, very lovely. It is now settled. It is satisfied. It has talked to me. If I call it, it will respond. Hilary, come here. Or come here. And there it is. It comes there, sit there, relax, and listen to me. So it is one unique dog that I've never found such a friend in my lifetime. God bless Hilary. Hello. Yeah. Oh. This morning, once again, the friend is here. And that is the funny thing about this dog. It must say hi to me. So this morning, so I'm officially changing my channel to Camera Maasai. And why I'm changing the camera to Camera Maasai is the name is so big. Ledama Esaksoke is tall, his big name. So this is my dog this morning. He's happy to greet me. That's the ritual of this dog. It must say hi to me in the morning. And that's how it talks to me. When it gets satisfied of talking to me, it sleeps. Milora school? Yeah. Milora school? Yeah. Oh. You need to come and sleep here. It will sleep. Come, sleep. Sleep there. Just review some. Sleep here. Come sleep here. Satisfied, has created me, and now he has gone. But it will not leave this place. It will not leave my vicinity unless I'm going away. When I walk out, this dog literally follows me. Anywhere I go, it comes. Hilary, it is very cold, but it still wants to follow me. It is very cold in the morning. That is how. So I said, I have changed. I will be changing the name of my channel gradually. Hilary, come and we talk here with you. I want to change the name of my channel gradually to a more. This, my friend, I have not washed him for long. This because he is. Normally, when I come around it, I touch it to feel I felt something here. Sleep, I check on you. Sleep, I check on you. So I was telling you, it is very old dog. It has no teeth. So it no longer eat bones. Seems there are some ticks around it. That is why I'm feeling uncomfortable. So I need to. I have a tick here, big tick. So bad of it. With a big tick here. Larry, come. I get more ticks out of you. Come. Larry, come. Come. Oh, so my dog is not well. I found a tick. So I need to wash it, clean it today, so that the ticks can die. Some of the ticks that I've got out of the dog, it has really sucked blood out of it. Larry, come. It has felt the pain, so it has run away from me. So I was simply saying, I have changed my channel. I'll gradually change it. Currently, I'm known as Ledama Isaac Suke, as I was able to portray it Nyabohanse. But because the name is long, I want to change it to Camera Maasai. So if you look at Camera Maasai, you'll be able to get me. I have put it at Camera Maasai. Camera Maasai, so that it becomes easy for you. Camera Maasai. So what has Camera Maasai said today? What has Camera Maasai uploaded today? I think that one become an easy name. Become very easy even for you to come across it. So this is the tick from the dog. I don't know what to do with it. You know, in animal, we don't kill animals, but hope it will survive on its own. Let me leave it there. Whatever fate will have for it, it will be its own fate. That is it. It is crawling to safety, having been removed from the body of the life cycle of a tick. I don't know what's the life cycle of a tick. I have also not known how do ticks multiply and how do they die. And I've seen the dog has tears on the eyes, sign that it has some worms. So don't know that there are more ticks in this dog. So this is my pet, Hilary, known as Hilary. I gave the name, history of the name, Hilary. So yeah, very friendly friend of mine. Just try to look at it. If there is a problem, you must be able to check on it always. I have to check on it always. And this dog has never given me offspring because it has some limping legs. So it has teary eyes. When the dog has teary eyes, what is the problem? For those who can assist me, it has teary eyes. It is old, I know. It is 10 years. What is the lifespan of a dog? I don't know yet. So this dog of mine is extremely old, 10 years now. I keep taking care of it. That's why we are friends. Wherever I go, it follows me. And because of its fragile nature, this is the home for the dog. This is where it sleeps, this is where it eats their food, and this is letting me irate so that by evening, this is its blankets. You can easily now replace this one with this one so that by evening, in case the place is prone to rain, if the rain decides to fall even before evening, it has something to sleep on. Come into your house here, Hilary. Hilary, this is your house. So that is the place it will rest through the evening. Just ensure that it is comfortable. So thank you for being part of Leda Maasai Saksoke, from my channel Leda Maasai Saksoke, currently Camera Maasai. This is from Kilgoris. A venture I am doing to change the narrative so that people can embrace online society. This is the main offense. This is the cloth line. That is my house. My family is away. They work also from far from here. So they are also away. That is the dog testing the house, whether the house has been cleaned. Just like Kurialand, we also have such a house there. I also have this one as my house. So I hope one day the online subscribers will. Mari dia bego doa. Ai boto kona susu dia bego. Kai tu. Suswa. Ai boto kai dia bego doa. Ada aje shoma talwa. Tegeteri. Maida na no bage. Nje ruja sikila ma bete bogera sai. Ba aya wala na yo bo. Au lingai ware. Ona benga to. So Camera Maasai here again. Maasai land is fond of cows, but I'm also a keeper of some other animals. So I want to open them out. I keep these. I keep these, they're my friends. Two geese. I also have rabbits, but I don't know what's happening with them. If the number is reducing, it is a rabbit. We don't know. The rabbits have died. I only left one. In this place, there is also one rabbit, but not very healthy. Don't know what's happening with. But two of them died. The place is also long since insufficient food here. Mostly not good food for the rabbits. here, follow me everywhere I go. My friends follow me everywhere I go. So Maasai land is commonly cows, but because of land size, especially after the sugarcane industry has taken over, I also have few goats. So I'm not a pure because of land size. So there's the reason now where we are keeping goats, sheep. Sorry, these are sheep and not goats. Open them out so they can start to graze. So these are sheep. The type of sheep we keep are black-headed. They fetch good prices in the market. So this is one of them. They fetch good prices in the market. So we keep them. Farming in my home, and there's a reason why I'm preferring sheep. First of all, sheep are fast multiplying. With the ram inside or inside the flock, the sheep will definitely multiply very fast, 3 times in a year possible. So this is now the ram of the whole sheep. So this is the only ram in the family. And look at the type of the sheep today. It's a black-headed, and they fetch better prices. So apparently they are very expensive. Like the one the ram want to follow costed me 20,000, 21,000. Apparently to get the sheep now become expensive. This one at the back costed me 11,000 Kenya shilling. So roughly if I equate to $120, this almost costed me 12,000 divided by 120 at $100. And the other one costed me $200. This is another one that I bought. That one is homeborn. And the other one is the young male. The young ram here is homeborn, but very young, about 2 months old or 3 months old. If today I choose to offset it from the market price, it will definitely cost, it will give me about 5,000. So apparently sheep farming is the best because it allows fast multiplication. So that is the other set of farming in my village. So sheep farming is an enterprise I can encourage people to venture into, especially when you have small size of land. The geese farmers, and that is all from me. So now I want to leave my friend so that I head somewhere else. And my friend keep following me. Come, and then I'm going to go home now. Come. So that before you go home, my friend has a small that the friends don't fight it. Welcome to my channel, Humu Camera Maasai. So I have just left my home to another destination. I want to believe that is for today. Camera Maasai, that is me from me. I have left my dog with my brother, and so I'm heading to another destination. Kindly subscribe to the channel. In my home, we keep maize. One of the beautiful places that never dries. That is one thing I know about my home area. It never gets dries. Subscribe to the channel, Camera Maasai. I am gradually changing my name from Ledama Esaksoke to Camera Maasai. I have already changed Camera Maasai. It's there. Become an easy name for you to remember. See you in the next episode. I tell you, in my village, nobody holds a camera. And so I want to bring the camera effect so that we get a global village. Camera Maasai here. Camera Maasai is easy. And you can also surprise this village. Those willing to surprise the village, my number is at the bio. I also attach my number so that you can have a wholesome effect. Because somebody in Caribbean nation want to know about Africa, want to know about Maasai land. I will also be venturing into culture in Maasai land. We have maize farming, which is also there, sugarcane farming, sorry. This enterprise is good, but it also has extreme negative effect. And I will be venturing into knowing what are the negative effect of sugarcane farming. I have done one, but it still need more to be done. I will get more to do on this one. Welcome to the channel, Camera Maasai.